Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss statistics, exercise number 1, problem number 4. The given problem is 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and their heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as shown. Find the mean heartbeats per minute for these women. Choose a suitable method. Number of heartbeats per minute 65 to 68, 68 to 71, 71 to 74, 74 to 77, 77 to 80, 80 to 83, 83 to 86. Number of women 2, 4, 3, 8, 7, 4, 2. Number of heartbeats we are taking as a class intervals and number of women we are taking as a frequency. So here we are following three methods, that is direct mean method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. Now we are following direct mean method. So in direct mean method, what is the formula? Mean x bar equal sigma fi xi by sigma fi is the formula. So fi, what is fi? Fi means respective class intervals frequencies. Xi means class mark. So class mark, how we have to get the class marks? Xi equal L plus U by 2. So the average of lower limit and upper limit. L means lower limit, U means upper limit. This all I took in the table. Now we need to find the table. So class marks Xi equal L plus U by 2. First class interval 65 to 68. That class mark is lower limit is 65 plus upper limit is 68 by 2. So 65 plus 68 is 133 by 2. 2 1s are 2 6s are 12. 1 remained. 2 6s are 12.25s are. Means 66.5. First class mark is 66.5. Next class interval 68 to 71 class interval. So L 68 plus U means 71 by 2. 68 plus 71 is 139 by 2. 2 1s are 2 6s are 1 remained means it is 19. 2 9s are 18.25s are 10 means 69.5. Next class interval 71 to 74. Lower limit is 71 plus upper limit is 74 by 2. 71 plus 74 is 145 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 2 5s are means 72.5. Next 74 to 77 class interval. Lower limit is 74 plus upper limit is 77 by 2. 74 plus 77 that is 151 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 1 remained, 2 5s are 10, 1 remained, point means it is 10, 2 5s are 10, means 75.5. Next 77 to 80 class interval, lower limit is 77 plus upper limit is 80 by 2. 77 plus 80, that value 157 by 2. 2 double time cancelling, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 1 remained, 2 8s are 16, 1 remained, point means it is 10, 2 5s are 10, means 78.5. Next 80 to 83 class interval, lower limit is 80 plus upper limit is 83. 80 plus 83 is 163 by 2. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 1 remained, point 2 5s are 10, means 81.5. Now last class interval 83 to 86 class interval, lower limit is 83 plus upper limit is 86 by 2. So 83 plus 86, that is 169 by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 1 remained, point means it is 10, 2 5 are 10, means 84.5. Now we got it that all xi's we got it. Now we need to take fi and xi. Fi means frequencies and xi means this class marks. 2 into 66.5, that is 133.0. Next class interval, fi is 4 and xi is 69.5. 4 into 69.5 is 278.0. Next class interval, fi is 3 and xi is 72.5. So 3 into 72.5 is 217.5. Next class, fi is 8, xi is 75.5. 8 into 75.5 is 604.0. Next class, fi is 7, xi is 78.5. 7 into 78.5 is 549.5. Next, fi is 4, xi is 81.5. So 4 into 81.5 is 326.0. Next, last class interval frequency is 2, xi is 84.5. So 2 into 84.5 is 169.0. Now with this total we need to add. So this is sigma fi xi. So sigma fi xi means 133.0 plus 278.0 plus 217.5 plus 604.0 plus 549.5 plus 326.0 plus 169.5. That value total we are getting 2277 we are getting 2277. Now here we need to add frequencies also. So 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2. That value we are getting 30. So sigma fi value we got it here 30. Now we need to write the formula. Mean x bar equal sigma fi xi by sigma fi is the formula. So sigma fi xi. So sigma fi xi. What we have to got here 2277 and sigma fi value we got it 30. Now these two values we can substitute in the formula. Xi value 2277 by sigma fi value 30. 3 table time cancelling. 3 times are 30. 3 sevens are 21. 1 remained means it is 17. 3 fives are 15 means 2 remained. 3 nines are 27 means 759 by 10. In denominator we are dividing with 10 means we are getting 75.9. So mean x bar equal 75.9. So we used here direct mean method. We used the mean we got it 75.9. So direct mean method in formula sigma fi xi by sigma fi is the formula. Now we are following assumed mean method. So same data only I took. So in assumed mean method formula, mean x bar equal a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi is the formula. So here a, what is a? A means we are assuming one value. In class mark we are assuming that is a. Fi means that is the frequency of the class intervals, and di equal xi minus a. It is the formula. So this I took the table. In the table I written class marks xi equal L plus u by 2 and di equal xi minus a. Fi di I took. So first class interval 65 to 68 class marks we need to find. So first class interval class mark is lower limit is 65 upper limit is 68 by 2. 65 plus 68, that is 133 by 2. 2 table I am cancelling. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 1 remain, 2 6 are 12, 1 remain. Point means it is 10. So 2 5s are 10. We got it 66.5. Now here we need to find H value. So H means height of the class or size of the class. So height of the class, how we have to find? Any two successive class intervals, lower limits, either upper limits, difference we need to take. The difference between two successive class intervals, lower limits or upper limits. Now I am taking 68 and 65. 68 minus 65, it is 3. So H value we got it 3. Now 66.5 plus 3, we are getting next class interval, that is 69.5. 69.5 plus height of the class 3. So 69.5 plus 3 is 72.5. Now next class 72.5 plus 3 is 75.5. 75.5 plus 3 is 78.5. So 78.5 plus 3, that is 81.5. Now last class mark, 81.5 plus 3, that is 84.5. Now we need to find the DI. DI equal Xi minus A. So here in the class mark we are assuming one value, that is A. So I am assuming first class interval, class mark only I am assuming this is 66.5. I am taking as A. So here I am writing A equal 66.5. So A value we took here 66.5. DI value Xi minus A. In this class interval, class mark is Xi is 66.5 minus assumed value also 66.5. So 66.5 minus 66.5, that value we are getting 0. Next class interval, class mark is 69.5 minus A value is 66.5. So 69.5 minus 66.5, that value we are getting 3. Next class mark 72.5 minus A value is 66.5. So 72.5 minus 66.5 is 6. That subtracting means we are getting 6. Next class interval 74 to 77 class interval. Class mark is 75.5. Xi is 75.5 minus A is 66.5. So 75.5 minus 66.5. That value we are getting 9. Next class mark is 78.5. So A is 66.5. So 78.5 minus 66.5. So 78.5 minus 66.5 is, that is 12. Next 81.5 is the Xi. So we need to take 81.5 minus A. A is 66.5. So 81.5 minus 66.5 is 15. Next last class mark is 84.5. So 84.5 minus A is 66.5. So 84.5 minus 66.5. That value we are getting 18 we are getting. Now we need to multiply frequency and DI. So first frequency is 2. DI we got it 0. 2 into 0, 0. Next frequency is 4 and DI is 3. 4 3s are 12. Next one is 3 into 6. 3 6s are 18. Next one is frequency is 8. DI is 9. 8 into 9 is 72. Next frequency is 7. DI is 12. 7 into 12, that is 84. Next Fi is 4 and DI is 15. 4 into 15, 60. Last class interval, 83 to 86 class interval, Fi is 2, DI is 18. 2 into 18, that is 36. Now we need to add this all sigma Fi di. So sigma Fi di means 0 plus 12 plus 18 plus 72 plus 84 plus 60 plus 36. This we are adding means we are getting 282. Now here we can take sigma Fi also. So 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2. This value we are getting 30. Now we need to write sigma Fi di equal 282 and sigma Fi equal 30. Assumed value we took 66.5. Now we can write the formula mean x bar equal a plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi is the formula. So a value how much? 66.5 plus sigma Fi di value 282 by sigma Fi value is 30. Now we can cancel with 3 table. 3 10s are 30, 3 9s are 27, 1 remained, that is 12, 3 4s are 12. So means 66.5 plus 94 by 10. So 94 by 10 value 66.5 plus 94 by 10 value we are getting 9.4. Now 66.5 plus 9.4, that is 75.9. So in assumed mean method we got it 75.9. So here we used the formula a plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi is the formula. Now third method, that is step deviation method. In step deviation method, mean x bar equal a plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h is the formula. So here a means assumed mean. So in the class mark we are assuming Fi means frequencies. Ui means here xi minus a by h. So we can use the formula xi minus a by h. H means height of the class. Any two successive class intervals difference we need to take. The difference between two successive class intervals lower limit, either upper limit, we need to take h. So here h value is 68 minus 65. That value we are getting 3. So here I written the table. In the table I took number of heartbeats per minute, that is class intervals, number of women as frequencies, class marks xi equal L plus u by 2, ui equal xi minus a by h, and Fi ui, product of frequency and ui we need to take. Now first we have to find class marks we need to find. So class mark lower limit plus upper limit by 2. In this class interval 65 to 68 class interval, lower limit is 65, upper limit is 68 by 2. So 65 plus 68 is 133 by 2. 2 table time cancelling means 2 ones are 2 6 are 12, 1 remained, 2 6 are 12, 1 remained. Point means it is 10. 2 5 are 10 means 66.5. Now only we got it here h value. H is 3. So class mark 2 we are adding height of the class, we are getting next class mark. So 66.5 plus 3 is 69.5. 69.5 plus 3 is 72.5. 72.5 plus 3 is 75.5. 75.5 plus 3 is 78.5. 78.5 plus 3 is 81.5. 81.5 plus 3, that is 84.5. Now we need to find ui. Ui means xi minus a. A means assumed value. I am taking as a first class mark only I am taking. So here xi is 66.5 minus a also 66.5 by h value is 3. So 66.5 minus 66.5, that value is 0. 0 by 3 value is 0. Next class interval xi is 69.5 minus a is 66.5 by 3. That equal 69.5 minus 66.5. That value we are getting 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are. That value we are getting 1. Next class mark is 72.5 minus a value is 66.5 by h. H value is 3. So 72.5 minus 66.5 is 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So we are getting 2. Next class mark 75.5. So xi is 75.5 minus a is 66.5 by 3. So 75.5 minus 66.5 is 9 by 3. 3 ones are 3 threes are. That value we are getting 3. Next one is xi 78.5. 78.5 minus a is 66.5 by 3. 78.5 minus 66.5, that value we are getting 12. So by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So that value we are getting 4. Next xi is 81.5. So 81.5 minus a value is 66.5 by 3. So 81.5 minus 66.5 is 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fives are. So we are getting 5. Last class mark, that is xi is 84.5 minus a is 66.5 by 3. 84.5 minus 66.5, that we are getting 18 by 3 as it is. So 3 ones are 3 sixes are. So that value we are getting 6. Now we need to take fi and ui. Fi means frequencies. So 2 into 0, 0, and ui here 0. Next frequency is 4, ui is 1. 4 into 1, 4. Next fi is 3, ui is 2, that is 3 to the 6. fi is 8 and ui is 3, 8 3 is 24. Next fi is 7, ui is 4, 7 into 4 28. Next fi is 4, ui is 5, that is 20. Last class frequency is 2 and ui is 6. 2 into 6, that is 12. Now you can add this all. Sigma fi ui equal, sigma fi ui means 0 plus 4 plus 6 plus 24 plus 28 plus 20 plus 12. This total we are adding means we are getting 94. Now here frequencies also we need to take 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2, that is 30. So sigma fi value we got it 30. Now we can take the formula. Mean x bar equal a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. So before that, what is sigma fi ui? So sigma fi ui value we got it 94. Sigma fi value we got it 30. And a equal, here what we assumed 66.5, and h value we took 3. Now this all values substitute in this formula, we are getting the answer. So a value is 66.5 plus sigma fi ui. Sigma fi ui value is 94 by sigma fi 30 into h value is 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30, means 66.5 plus 94 by 10. So 66.5 plus 94 by 10, that value we are getting 9.4. So 66.5 plus 9.4, the total adding means how much we are getting? 75.9. So in the step deviation method, we got the mean is 75.9. So here we used the formula A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into H is the formula. In these three methods also we got it 75.9. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear friends and students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends and family members. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.